In this video, I am going to teach you how to edit text using Adobe Express. This is quite simple, and the first thing that you need to do is to open Adobe Express in your device. And you can use the link that I have in the description below for you to be able to do that. And then once you are in the homepage of Adobe Express, what you can do is to open the project that you'd like to change the texts of. So I'm going to open a presentation project, but you can basically do the process on a video project, document, photo, and so on. So editing text here in Adobe Express is really simple. So again, I'm just going to open a presentation project. So I'm going to select a random template that I can use for this tutorial. So I'm going with this one. Let it load for a few seconds. And then all you need to do for you to be able to edit the text is to click onto it. And then on the left side part, the tools that will allow you to edit your text will appear. So you can change the font of it by clicking onto this part. So you have your fonts on this part. So going to change it on to this or to this font and then change the style of it, oblique, or I'm going to make it or to select soft for it. And if you want to change the size text, you can do so by going on to this part. So I'm going to set it at 100 and there you go. And now, if you want to change the color of your text, so again, just click onto it. On the bottom part of this one, you see this fill and outline option. So for the fill, this is the color of the inner part of your text. So for example, I'm just going to select more colors and change it to this color. And if you're satisfied with that, you can just hit this X. And if you also want to change the outline of the text, so I'm going to select this purple color. There you go. As easy as that, you can change the fill and the outline color of your text. And if you want to change the thickness of the outline, you can do so by using this slider. So slide to your right if you want to make it thicker and slide it to the left if you want to make the outline thinner. There you go. Now for the opacity of your text, you can also edit that on this part. You can flip it horizontally by clicking onto this icon if and you can flip it vertically by clicking onto this icon. Now on the most bottom part, you'll have more tools. So you can generate text effects by clicking onto this part by using the generative AI Adobe apps. So just hit agree if you want to continue, and if you want to shadow, click onto the shadow part. You'll also have more options in here. So I'm going to select this glow one. Let us go back and try change the size of my text. So I'm going with basic. And on the bottom part, you'll have more options under the decorative section. So you have here this circle option, this one, and you just need to explore with what you have and what fits right for your project. Now for animation, you'll have those options for this one. So you can go for fade, typewriter, tumble, rise, and more. So that is it. That is how you can edit your text here in Adobe Express. And again, you can do this on different projects, photo projects, video, presentation, social media posts, and so on. So again, you can use the link that I have in the description down below for you to have an access to Adobe Express. So then, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.